The air cargo world is gearing up to welcome its newest addition, a converted Airbus A320 Freighter aircraft. The plane was recently delivered to its customer in Singapore and will start flying for a cargo company in India soon. The A320P2F represents the growing need of the cargo industry for freighter conversions as airlines increasingly realize the potential of such planes. On July 15th, ST Engineering and Elbe Flugzeugwerke, or EFW, announced the redelivery of the Airbus A320 Passenger-to-Freighter, or A320P2F aircraft to launch customer Vayu Group at ST Engineering's airframe facility in Singapore. This A320P2F is the first of several converted freighter aircraft that'll be leased to Vayu. ST Engineering's commercial aerospace business had signed an agreement in February to lease up to 5 Airbus A320P2F aircraft to Vayu Group, or Vayu. Jordi Boto, CEO of EFW, commented, "With this redelivery, our Airbus P2F family of narrow-body and wide-body freighters is finally complete. This comes at a ripe time as demand for converted freighters continues to surge. Our full suite of Airbus P2F solutions will serve to meet the current gap and future growth of the air freight market, while offering excellent choices and benefits to airlines looking to grow a diverse fleet of freighter aircraft with operating commonality." The A320P2F can accommodate up to 10 ULD containers and 1 pallet position in the main deck, as well as 7 container positions in the lower deck. Given its gross payload of up to 21 tons at a maximum range of 1,850 nautical miles and total usable containerized volume of 159 cubic meters, approximately 5,600 cubic feet, the freighter aircraft has a stowage efficiency of 85%. The aircraft will enter into service for Pradhan Air Express, a new all-cargo airline in India and a sub-lessee of Vayu. Pradhan Air announced on July 6th that it has received the No Objection Certificate, or NOC, from India's Civil Aviation Ministry and is expected to begin commercial operations later this year. The airline is set up by the founder of airline general sales agency Zeal Global Corporation, Nipun Anand, and will be based in Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport. Anand commented, "The world's first A320P2F for the Indian market will secure dedicated cargo capacity, boosting more self-reliance. Getting the world's first A320 converted freighter to India is like a dream come true. A second aircraft will be inducted by the end of this year, with plans for further fleet expansion." When it comes to the specific aircraft used for this first conversion, the 16.34-year-old Airbus A320 entered service with TAM in April 2006 as Papa Romeo Mike Bravo Bravo. After just over a decade flying for the Brazilian carrier, ATDB.Aero notes that it spent just over a year at Spire Flight Solutions as Mike India Bravo Alpha Lima. However, it remained unused during this time. From April 2018 to October 2020, it served Indian carrier Indigo as Victor Tango India Hotel Mike before joining ST Engineering for its conversion in February 2021. Are you looking forward to seeing more A320s converted into freighters? Please let us know in the comment section below. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.